What if the biggest discovery in human history has already happened? And we just weren't meant to understand it. Not because we're not advanced enough, but because we were never supposed to know. Thousands of years ago, before modern science, before technology, one of the oldest civilizations on Earth wrote something. They didn't just talk about survival, or gods, or nature. They described beings that came from the sky, not as visitors, but as creators. In ancient times, these beings were called the Anunnaki. According to these texts, they weren't just worshipped, they were feared, powerful, intelligent, far beyond human understanding. Some interpretations of these ancient writings suggest that the Anunnaki didn't just visit Earth, they changed it. They shaped early human civilization, influenced knowledge, and possibly even humanity itself. Now, not everyone agrees with this. Historians say these are just myths, symbolic stories. But still, it raises a question. Why would one of the earliest civilizations describe beings from the sky with such detail? And it doesn't stop there. Across the world, in completely different civilizations, we see the same pattern. Ancient Egypt, Mayan temples, Sumerian tablets, all pointing to something similar. Beings from above, knowledge given, not discovered. Think about it. How did ancient humans, with no modern tools, understand the stars so precisely? How did they build structures that still stand today, with accuracy we struggle to replicate? Some say coincidence, others say lost knowledge, but some believe it was guidance. And if that's true, then everything we think we know about human history is incomplete, because it would mean we didn't rise alone. Now imagine this, a civilization far more advanced than ours, thousands, maybe millions of years ahead. To them, we wouldn't be equals, we'd be subjects, something to study, something to observe, something to test, because if they had the power to shape life, then Earth wouldn't just be a planet, it would be an experiment, and experiments are always monitored. Which brings us to today. If something like that really happened, if something did come here, if something did change us, then the real question isn't, did they exist? It's, where are they now? Because think about it, if they were advanced enough to reach Earth once, why would they leave? Maybe they didn't. Maybe they're still here. Not in the way we expect, not flying openly in the sky, but hidden, watching. Or worse, what if they don't need ships anymore? What if they don't need to visit? Because a part of them is already here, inside us, inside the way we think, the way we evolve, the way we question reality itself. And maybe that's why we've never found clear proof, because the truth isn't out there. It's too close, so close. We've been looking past it the entire time, because when you look at the universe, billions of galaxies, endless possibilities, it's almost impossible that we're alone. But maybe we're asking the wrong question. Not, are we alone, but were we ever